Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome Disneyland Resort Ambassador Alexa Garcia.
Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Downtown Disney District. Really important question to kick things off. Show of hands, who here is a fan of bowling? Well, good. I hope so, because that's a very important reason of why we're all here today. We are so excited to officially open Splitsville Luxury Lanes here in Downtown Disney District. The ultimate bowling destination for delicious food, wonderful entertainment, such a fun atmosphere, and of course 20 lanes of bowling inside. To help kick things off, please help me welcome two of our key partners from Downtown Disney, General Manager of Downtown Disney District, Brent Davies, and Director of Operating Participants, Jillian DeCunder.
Thank you, Alexa. Disney Parks has a great relationship with the Splitsville team, and it's been such a pleasure to work with them on the development of this concept. The Splitsville team operates not only the Splitsville Luxury Lanes here, but also Splitsville and Homecoming in Walt Disney World Resort. We've had such a great response from our guests to the Splitsville that opened in Walt Disney World at 2012. And so when it came time for us to look for a new concept for Downtown Disney here at Disneyland Resort, it was an obvious choice for us to bring Splitsville to this location. It's been such a pleasure working with them on the development process, and we're just really thrilled to be able to welcome them today to this new location. Thanks.
Thank you, Jillian. Well, I wanted to be the first to welcome Splitsville to the West Coast. So how about a huge round of applause? Yeah, it's incredible. And I tell you what, an incredible leadership team and cast here as well at Splitsville, and we're so excited to have them here because they do form an integral part of our ongoing transformation here at Downtown Disney District. So make sure you keep coming back here, lots more to come, lots changing here all the time. And take it from me, this has got something for absolutely everybody here at this particular venue. Whether you're a large group, you're going to be coming in here, maybe meeting your family, hanging out with friends, and take it from me, a unique and eclectic menu you do not want to miss out on, some different dining options throughout as well, and of course, grab one of the lanes, do some bowling, have some fun. But of course, it would be remiss of me not to thank some great groups and some partners along the way as well. Jillian and the Operating Participant Development team here locally and domestically have been incredible partners, so thank you so very much. Of course as well, the Tenant Coordination team have been fantastic. They work tirelessly with Jean Nicasio and team, so thank you very much. The expertise and insight we get from our great friends at Walt Disney Imagineering, Steve and team, thank you very much as well. Of course, my good friend and colleague, Todd Bennett, who couldn't be here today, was personally passionate about this project as well, so thank you to Todd. And I have to say thank you to the operations team here with Jason and team, my team here in Downtown Disney District, thank you so very much. But thank you all for coming, and yes, we're grand opening this incredible venue.
Thank you so much, Brent. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our co-owners of Splitsville Luxury Lanes, Guy Rebel and Mark Gibson.
Thank you, Alexa. On behalf of the entire Splitsville family, we'd like to say how excited we are to be at the Downtown Disney District here in wonderful Anaheim, Disneyland. Splitsville really is, Brent alluded to it, kind of a carnival ride of options. There's something for everyone, whether you're 7 or 70, whether it's kids, families, conventioneers, or just some bankers from First Republic coming down for having a cocktail. So we hope you love it. It's a pride and passion of Guy and I, and this was a long time coming, so we're very excited.
Thanks, Mark. I tell you, we are so excited to start building relationships with all of our neighbors here at the Downtown Disney District. So with that, I hope you guys are ready to start rolling in and rocking out with us. So, thank you. Yeah. Woo.
All right, well, thank you so much. Now, I know you're all ready to get started on some awesome bowling, but before we do, I'm sure you've noticed the giant bowling pins behind me. We have to knock these pins down before we officially open Splitsville. Now, I know that seems like a very daunting task, but don't worry, we have thought of everything. We called in a bowling expert who is going to give us a crash course on the fine points of bowling. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our bowling expert, the one and only Goofy. It is so great to see you. I understand you're going to give us a lesson on bowling, correct? Yes, all right. And what is a how-to lesson without a voiceover? Take it away, Mr. Announcer.
Thank you, and welcome everyone to this very special edition of How to Bowl. Bowling is a fun, high-spirited, and vigorous sport that requires a keen eye, precise aim, and rock-steady nerves. The professional bowler begins by assuming the proper posture, holding his hand straight, and swinging the bowling ball backwards away from him. Next, he begins to rotate the ball toward the opposite side of his body, while at the same time keeping his bowling hand directly underneath the ball, ensuring that his wrist remains straight. Finally, he releases the ball, allowing it to roll down the lane toward the pins.
Oh, Goofy, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us. I know that's going to come in very handy very soon. So now, folks, I think it's time that we open Splitsville. So I'm going to call Guy back up. We are missing something. Goofy, do you think you can find us a bowling ball? Yes, you got it? Okay, perfect. All right, and Guy, no pressure, but in order to officially open this venue, you have to knock these pins down. Do you think you can handle it?
I don't know. This is a lot of pressure, especially with the big man right here beside me. But I think I need a little help from our team, our cast members from Splitsville.
All right. Come on out, everyone. All right, now that we have everyone out here, let's go ahead and help Guy knock these pins down.
Come on, Guy. Come on.
All right. So everyone, please repeat after me. Knock them down. 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 Knock them down.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today. We hope that you continue to enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Ladies and